If you're over 50 and your knees hurt when walking, your shoes might be destroying your joints without you realizing it. Most people think knee pain is just part of aging, but that's not true. In many cases, it's not your body, it's your shoes. If your shoes don't support your feet properly, every step you take sends pressure straight into your knees, and after 50, your joints don't recover like before. So even if you're walking every day, you might actually be making your knee pain worse. That's why some people walk more but feel worse, not better. Mistake 1: wearing flat or hard shoes. Many people over 50 choose shoes that feel simple or look lightweight, but the problem is they don't provide enough cushioning. Shoes with thin or hard soles don't absorb impact when your foot touches the ground. And every time you take a step, that impact travels upward from your feet to your ankles and directly into your knees. At a younger age, your joints can handle this stress more easily. But after 50, your cartilage becomes thinner and your joints need more protection, not less. So instead of helping your body, these types of shoes slowly increase pressure on your knees without you even realizing it. And that's why even a short walk can start to feel uncomfortable or even painful over time. Mistake 2: no arch support. Another common issue is wearing shoes without proper arch support. When your foot doesn't have support, it tends to roll inward slightly. This is something most people don't notice. But when your foot collapses like that, your entire leg alignment changes. Your knee begins to rotate just a little with every step you take. Now, one step may not feel like much, but over hundreds or even thousands of steps a day, that small misalignment builds up. And over time, it creates stress, irritation, and eventually knee pain. That's why proper support under your foot is not just about comfort. It's about protecting your knees with every step. Mistake 3: old, worn-out shoes. Even if you once had a good pair of walking shoes, they don't last forever. Over time, the cushioning inside the shoe compresses. The support becomes weaker, and the structure slowly breaks down. But the tricky part is, this doesn't happen suddenly. It happens gradually. So most people don't notice the change. You keep wearing the same shoes, thinking they're still fine, but they're no longer supporting your body the way they should. And little by little, your knees start to feel the difference. That's why replacing your shoes at the right time is just as important as choosing the right ones in the first place. So what should you look for instead? You don't need complicated features. You only need 3 simple things that truly make a difference. Check 1. Cushion, shock absorption. First, soft cushioning. When your foot touches the ground, there is always impact. But with proper cushioning, that impact is gently absorbed before it reaches your knees, instead of a hard, sharp pressure. Your steps feel softer, smoother, and more controlled. And over time, this reduces the stress placed on your joints with every single step you take. 2. Arch support. Second, proper arch support. Your feet are the foundation of your body. When they are supported correctly, your legs stay aligned naturally. This means your knees don't twist or compensate with every step. Good support helps your body move in a straight, stable line. And that simple alignment can significantly reduce knee discomfort, especially after 50. Checkmark 3. Lightweight comfort. And third, lightweight comfort. Heavy shoes may feel strong, but they actually make walking harder. After 50, your body benefits more from ease, not extra weight. Lightweight shoes allow you to move more naturally, more freely, without extra effort. And when walking feels easier, you're more likely to stay consistent, which is what truly matters. When you combine these three things, soft cushioning, proper support, and lightweight comfort, walking becomes easier, safer, and much more comfortable for your knees. Here are 3 types of walking shoes that actually help after 50. Option 1. Soft and easy, Skechers style. If your knees hurt easily, you want something soft and easy to wear. Shoes like this are designed for cushioning and reduce impact immediately. They're also very easy to slip on, which is perfect for daily walking. Option 2. Strong support, New Balance style. If you need more stability, especially if you feel unbalanced, a more supportive shoe helps keep your body aligned. This reduces knee stress and improves your walking posture. Option 3. Balanced, Asics style. If you want something in between, a shoe with both cushioning and support is a great long-term option. If you want to check these options, I've put some recommended ones in the description below. They're designed specifically for comfort, support, and safer walking after 50. But even with the right shoes, there's one more thing most people miss. How you walk matters just as much. When you walk slowly, shift your weight gently, and stay relaxed, you reduce pressure on your knees naturally. Try this. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, shift your weight slowly from one foot to the other. No rushing. Feel your body moving smoothly, not forcefully. This is why Tai Chi walking is so powerful after 50. Slow, gentle steps, soft landing, relaxed breathing. Let your body move without pressure, without tension. If you want to walk safely, reduce knee pain, and support fat loss after 50, Start with the right shoes and the right movement. You can follow my full Tai Chi walking routine here. Move slowly, stay safe, and take care of your body every step of the way.